Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add a text overlay image in Elementor using the plugin for your WordPress website editor. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is we first want to get access to the site editor for Elementor on our WordPress site. So there are a couple ways to get there, but the easiest way is by logging into your WordPress account, obviously, and clicking on Elementor or clicking on Appearance and selecting Elementor Header and Footer Builder. So what will happen is it'll redirect you to this sites here, which are the site editors, and what you would want to get access to is the container editor. So it's this one right here. Actually, this one is tied to text editor, and this is the one that we're looking to configure. So the idea here is we want to select the element on our website that we want to add an image to. So let's say that I want to add like a backdrop image for this section right here, for example. So we'd click on navigator, and then you want to click on container, as you can see. So it's this one right here. So it selects the whole thing, and you want to navigate to the left hand side of the screen until you see style. So this one's style. So right off the bat, you'll see that there's an option to add an image. So you want to click on background overlay, just like that. Or if you want to edit the whole thing, then you just want to click on background. It's really up to you. So once we click on background, you want to click on this paintbrush icon that says classic, because this will actually allow us to upload a custom image to our website. So if I clicked on classic, you'll see right away that there's an option to upload an image to your WordPress site. So we're going to click on it, and we'll just select something from our library. So let's do this custom photo right here. Click on select, just like that, and let's wait for it to actually load. And you can see the photo is actually showing the background, but let's actually do some resizing. So this way, you guys will be able to see the whole thing. If I do large, you'll see that it's right here. There's a nice little backdrop for the text, and here you get to configure like the font, the color if you want to pop out more, and simply hit update, and what will happen is it'll reflect on your website right here. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.